a very cool van. May I ask what you do for a living?
Actually, I run an interior design firm. Yeah.
Oh, is this your house?
Yeah, it is, but actually, I don't stay here because I travel quite often. So this is one of our investment properties.
Oh, is it okay if we take a look at it?
Sure, why not? Come on in. Okay. Okay, so this is a Simei in Simei area. Inspired by some of our properties in overseas whereby we can do Airbnb. Okay, but in Singapore you cannot lah. So over here we operate like a co-living concept. Now, as you come in, there will be a bathroom on level 1, and the kitchen will be on our right over here. So we can skip through that and move into the house, whereby you are welcomed by our dining area. This is a co-living concept, so we want the setup to be more informal and not like a standard house, like a dining area. That's why we have a TV here, whereby if anyone staying here that want to do some Zoom meetings or some presentation, they can utilize this space. Then of course, when you see the space behind me, okay, now because this is something that you'll see upon entering the house, so we have specially decorated this space as a feature point. Then one thing to note is when we first got this property, it's like really old, so it's like one entire living space. So what we do is we have created one more room here, a very special room that I'll show you later on. Okay, but for now, let's just come on in. Now this dining area, the flooring, I really like the flooring because it's on a higher level and it's in wood texture. Once we open the door, we go out. So you have outdoor dining as well. A lovely side path whereby you can get to the garden. Then you also realize that because we want this place to be more like a modern resort vibe, so we have all this craft work. So there's a lot of landscaping as well, beautifully done to make this place as cozy as possible. This place is a split level, so one step down will be our main living area. This is one of my favorite rooms. The only room that overlook the outdoor pond. Yeah, so for those people that like some nature and like some water features, you will love this room. So for this room, it's come with a queen size bed, a study table, and a small wardrobe, and it's nicely decorated to give the really resort vibes. Okay, so this is one bedroom and level 1. So as we move out to the living area, one thing when we are styling up this space, our intent is always this is a co-living concept. So it should be a space whereby people can gather, and instead of a typical living room setup. So you see, like we position our 3-seater sofa here. This can be one gathering space. And as we move in towards the inside of the house, there is another sofa here of a different design. So it's more cozy, paired with a single chair and a nice like standing lamp. And opposite the sofa, there's no TV, there's no TV console. So you have like two small, like a cozy table whereby you can have your coffee, you can have your breakfast, you can do your Zoom meetings and whatnot. So that is we fully utilize this space to make it really very welcoming without overdoing it that it look like a show flat. So because we want this place to still feel like home for whoever who are staying here. When we purchased this house, what we really like is the structure of the house itself, whereby they have like all-round window, so you can have natural lightings coming in. What I really like is how this can be opened up to like expose like this really big and nice garden. Over here will be the pond, whereby you can you can check out the first room from here as well. So there's a pond whereby we could very well convert this to a jacuzzi or a pool, but I think different kind of lifestyle, different kind of concept. Let's just keep it as a pond. Okay, so same thing, like very big piece of greenery here with some outdoor furnitures. So there's so many possibility on what can be done in this space. Like we can even do like a outdoor movie night, projectors, barbecue, which is lovely. I love it. Okay, so let's just come on in and let's go up to the second floor, whereby I'll show you 1, 2, 3, 4 other rooms. Okay, so for this house there is three level. Okay, so there's 4 rooms on level 2 and 1 master room on level 3. Now let's just go up and let's just go to our first room. Okay, this is one of the rooms. One of the common room is really long, it's really spacious. Right now we have put a single size bed. In fact, the space, if you want, you can do a queen bed as well, or even king. And what I love about this room is it overlooks our greeneries, our landscaping area. So the view here in the morning is really nice. You get really good sunlight. Right next to this room will be our master. Another of my favorite room if I want that space. Okay, this room, it comes with attached toilet. It comes with a walk-in wardrobe area. Okay, and it's so huge. You even throw in like a small pantry area with a fridge here. It's come with really high ceiling, and I really like this ceiling concept. When we first got this house, we were like, okay, it looked really run down and really messy if you have seen the before condition. But we see the potential of what we can do to this space. Initially, this bed is towards the wall, whereby we have our decoration right now. But I decided to position my beds like smack right in the middle, island style, exactly above my living area, so it have all round windows, all round lightings. It overlooks the greenery in front. It looks really nice. Behind this king size bed, okay, we have customized a long work desk. Whoever rented this space, you can work from home while looking over at some greeneries. That would be so lovely. The other 2 common room. I think if you realize as you come in is that they have a double volume. So for those that like high ceiling, that kind of space will love this room. And another thing about this room is that it comes with its own private attached balcony. So all our rooms are fully furnished and styled up. Now this is another room, same thing, it's just a mirror image. Okay, so same thing, it comes with a outdoor balcony as well. So you can have your gathering or chill. Now let's just go to the final room on level 3. Storage cabinet here. There's a storeroom right behind you. Okay, and then it comes with an attached bathroom as well, and a king size bed, study table, and even a fridge, pantry area, walk-in wardrobe right at the side. Pretty much has everything. Then of course, one good thing about this top floor room is you have privacy to yourself, that this entire level basically is yours. Also come with a small balcony outside. Thank you guys for joining me on this house tour. Then if any one of you is interested to rent a room or rent this whole unit from us, please let us know. Okay, thank you so much. See you guys in our next video. Bye. Oh, you guys want to tour my van also? Okay, maybe in our next video. Bye!